Here's how to quickly create the changing text effect that you just saw. I'm going to be doing this in Premiere Pro today, but you can actually do it in any software. DaVinci, CapCut, Premiere, iMovie, whatever you have, it's possible to do it in. So let's hop into it. First, let's add a text layer and drag it out pretty far. Adjust the font style and then change the color that you'd like all of the future text to be. Move forward to frames, then make a cut. Change the font on this text layer and then make it pretty different from the first one. Then move forward to more frames and cut. Change the font on this one too. We're going to move forward to more frames, make another cut, and change the font on this one. Now continue on with this pattern until you feel like the different text has gone on long enough. Sometimes I'll do 10, sometimes I'll do 6. There's really no firm number, just do it until it feels right. And then end on the font that you like the most and let that one play out a while. Now to really add to this effect, let's drop some sound effects underneath, add some music, and then we're good to go. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of 2024. Let's make it happen. I'll see you next time with another video.